Hello children, welcome to class 4, subject science, lesson number 1, food our basic need. In the last video, we have learnt about food preservation methods. Till now, we have learnt a lot about food and its importance. Along with food, there is something very important for our body, that is proper rest, correct posture and exercise. So, today we will discuss about rest, posture and exercise. But before we switch over to today's session, I want to tell you, since lot of teaching and learning is taking place through technology, and nowadays we cannot do away with computers and mobiles. So, in today's class, I will discuss about correct postures that you should follow when you are working on computer or when you are watching a mobile. First, we will talk about rest and its importance, and then we will take up the topic posture, meaning of posture and different postures when we are standing, walking and sitting. So, let's start with rest. Rest is very important for our body. We need 6 to 8 hours of rest in the form of sleep. Means we should sleep at least 6 to 8 hours every day. Lack of sleep may make us feel tired and may make us fall sick. Therefore, staying up late is not a good idea. Posture. What is posture and why is it important? Posture is the position in which we keep our body. If we follow correct posture, then our bones and muscles stay healthy. We will not get tired quickly. Say for example, you are watching this video right now, and so if you are watching it on the mobile or on the laptop and not sitting in the correct posture, then you may feel tired quickly. But if you have to continue enjoying this video, then you have to sit in correct posture. By doing so, you will not get backache or muscle pain. We also look good when we follow correct posture. Correct posture adds on to our personality also. Now, I will discuss about correct postures which you should follow to keep your bones and muscles healthy. Posture number 1. You should not lean backward or to the side while standing. Look at the second picture. The boy is standing upright, and upright posture is the correct posture to stand. Posture number 2. Do not lean forward or backward while walking. Look at the last picture. This is the correct way of walking. Posture number 3. While sitting on the chair, your thighs should rest flat against the bottom of the chair. Feet should be resting on the floor and back should be kept straight upright. This is the correct way to sit on the chair. Now, I will share with you few postures which you should follow while working on desktop or mobile. This picture shows how you should sit while working on computer, and this picture is the correct posture while watching the mobile. Now we will discuss about exercise. Exercise is important to stay healthy. Regular exercise and playing outdoor games such as hockey, football and cricket help us to stay fit. Yoga, an ancient method of exercise practiced in India, also helps in keeping our body fit. Do you know when International Yoga Day is celebrated? 21st June is celebrated as the International Yoga Day, as declared by the United Nations General Assembly. Hope you must have understood the importance of rest, posture, and exercise. That's all for now. Here we have completed our lesson number 1, Food, our basic need. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.